Hello guys, use my phone Tecno POP 4 Pro, version 1GB RAM memory and 16GB internal memory. Okay, look, completion. In completion we have protected back cover, documentary, adapter for charging, and headphones and micro USB cable. Okay, good completion. And now talk about device in the purple color, body plastic on the back side, double camera LED, fingerprint scanner, and speaker. Okay, on the front side 6.5-inch display, on this side without controls, right side power key and volume keys, downside micro USB port and headphones jack. Okay, open back cover. Under back cover we have battery 5000 mAh, 2 slot for nano SIM card and slot for micro SD card. Turn on device, HD resolution display, IPS display, and talk about system information. Open Geekbench 5, CPU MediaTek MT6739, this quad-core processor, CPU speed 1.2 GHz, and GPU power VR. Okay, look results, doesn't have results, test doesn't work, and look into the benchmark results. Results onto the benchmark. Okay, close this and run the Game with San Andreas. Okay, games works good on the medium graphic level, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.